Today we'll be focusing on how Tesla's autopilot feature handles potential crashes and how it keeps not only the driver but bystanders safe and the ethical impacts along the way. Tesla utilizes several sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to detect, predict, and respond to potential crashes. There is very little data on Teslas and autonomous vehicles in general responding to these highly ethical situations. The most important ethical issue is the way Tesla handles situations that put lives at risk. Machines have no moral agency. They react only based on inputs and outputs. This can lead to ethical issues such as the trolley issue, where the vehicle would have to pick one life over another. This dilemma in these situations is daunting considering real human lives are at risk. A less serious but still present issue is the liability if damages do occur. Tesla designed the algorithm that caused the crash, but it was the driver who was supposed to be the fail-safe for the system. Determining liability for these events will be a major issue in the coming years.
I'm going to be talking about some of the stakeholders that revolve around Tesla's crash detection algorithm. There's three main groups. There's Tesla, Tesla's owners, and bystanders or other drivers. Tesla is the main group since they designed the algorithm and they also employ the employees, and they could be held liable for possible crashes that result from improper decision making from the algorithm. The second one is Tesla drivers, Tesla owners could be held liable also for crashes, and they could also be killed or seriously hurt from improper decisions by the algorithm. And the third one is bystanders and other drivers. They don't really have anything to do with Tesla, but they could also be seriously injured or killed from improper algorithm decisions.
Today I'll be talking about the potential biases and ethical impacts of Tesla's crash detection algorithm. As humans, we know that our senses lie to us. We understand the concept of optical illusions, and more specifically, that what we see is not always true. Unfortunately, Tesla's crash detection algorithm lacks this ability. We'll call this input bias. Tesla's autopilot will act accordingly to whatever data it receives from its sensors and assumes that it's true. This means that if debris blocks one of the car's sensors, you might just be running over that pedestrian like they're not even there. Another important aspect to consider is that Tesla's crash detection algorithm is biased to how it was created and trained. Essentially, this means that the crash detection will respond to emergency situations in the way it was trained to do so. A simple miscalculation could result in the deaths of many. Although the occurrence of Tesla crashes has been relatively low so far, there have already been 4 confirmed deaths while Tesla Autopilot was engaged. If a scenario like the trolley problem ever arises, this death toll could be doubled from a single incident.